All right, everyone. Welcome back. Today is day 3 of week 2. Yes, can you believe it? We made 3 days together. Now, let's get started with our work because I know you're ready. I sure am. This is our schedule for the month. So today is April the 8th, and we are going to be working on our distance learning packet, week 2, day 3 today. For our daily tasks today, DCPS has started us off with some fun. I like solving riddles. They're going to give us a couple of statements and try to see if we can figure out what the number is. Well, let's look at the first riddle, riddle A. It says, I have a 9 in the tens place. I have a 4 in the hundreds place. The number in my ones place is less than 3. I am even number. What number am I? Wow. So we're going to have to really think this through. I always like to start off by making a place value chart. Okay, I made a place value chart on the side. Let me read the first part again. It says, I have a 9 in the tens place. So I wrote the number 9 in the tens place. Let's look at the second part. It says, I have 4 in the hundreds place. So I put a 4 in the hundreds place in my place value chart. The next part says, the number in my ones place is less than 3. Wait a minute, what numbers are less than 3? If I think this out, let's see. The number 2 is less than 3 and the number 1. Wow, this is going to be hard. So there are two possible answers, either 2 or 1. Let me keep reading. I am even. Oops, I figured it out. I know that even numbers are numbers that always have a partner. So they're numbers that you get to when you count by twos. So if I have 2 and 1 or 1 in the ones place and the number has to be even, the number has to be the number 2 because it's the only even one that I have out of 2 and 1. So it has to be the number 2. Therefore, my answer has to be 492. All right, I'm going to read B. And what I want you to do is on the side to write a place value chart. But let me read it first. I have a 7 in the thousands place. I have a 0 in the hundreds place. I have 3 in the tens place. The number in my ones place is greater than 7. I am an odd number. Oh, wow. All right, let's see if you can figure this out. So press pause, please, and see what you can do. So let's see what your answer should be. Well, 7 in the thousands place. So I had to make a place value chart with thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. I have a 7 in the thousands place, a 0 in the hundreds place, a 3 in the tens place. But they tried to get a little tricky here on me with the ones. They said to me that the number in the ones place is greater than 7. Well, the first thing that came to my mind, I was like, there are a lot of numbers greater than 7. So what do they mean? Well, then I had to really think about it. It could only be a one-digit number. Okay, so what other one-digit number is bigger than 7? Let's see, 8 is a one-digit number, is bigger than 7, and 9 is a one-digit number, is bigger than 7. Okay, and then it said this, it's odd. So out of the numbers 8 and 9, I had to ask myself which one is the odd number. And I know odd numbers don't have a partner. So an odd number would have to be the number 9. So my answer for this part would be 7,039. Wow, if you figure that out, you're a brainiac. Give yourself a pat on the back. Great job. See you next time. This was part 1. I want you to come back and join me for part number 2.